Well, we are following some developing news out of Franklin County, Vermont, where the longtime state's attorney told us he will resign.
John Lavoie has been the subject of a months-long impeachment inquiry after reports of alleged misconduct towards his staff. NBC5's Tyler Baronsky is live in St. Albans tonight with what we learned today and new reaction to Lavoie's decision. Tyler.
Yeah, Brian Oswald, our crew caught up with Lavoie earlier today at this courthouse behind me. He did confirm his resignation, but would not answer any more of our questions.
After months of being asked to step down, Franklin County State's Attorney John Lavoie is now turning in his resignation letter. Since May, Lavoie has been the focal point of an impeachment investigation after a report was released by the Executive Committee of State's Attorneys, detailing how Lavoie made discriminatory comments and engaged in unwanted physical contact with members of his staff.
We've talked to the women involved, and it is really very difficult to hear some of the situations that occurred.
We caught up with Lavoie Wednesday at Vermont Superior Court in St. Albans. He confirmed his resignation, but nothing more. Back in May, Lavoie admitted to what he called some inappropriate humor, but shared that he didn't believe anything he had done warranted a resignation.
These are not people that I met 2-3 months ago. These are people I've been with for 20 years.
The impeachment committee is set to meet on Friday to review and vote on a special committee recommendation report. Vermont Representative Martin Lalonde is the chair of that committee. He says he found out Tuesday night about Lavoie's resignation. His understanding is Lavoie will continue serving as Franklin County's top prosecutor until the end of the month.
Now, we're told that the impeachment committee will still meet this Friday to discuss their next steps about continuing the investigation. We're live in St. Albans tonight. Tyler Bronsky, NBC5 News.